Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to get feedback on packaging designs using Helpful.com. The first thing we're going to do is select our survey type. We can either do a general feedback survey or a screen recording survey. For this case, we'll go into the general feedback survey and we can either build one from scratch or explore templates. Under the Amazon category, they have product packaging. So the first thing we see here is the survey title, which is actually only visible to the survey creator, in this case me. And then we have our first question, which is a picture choice question. And I can see some text here that's by default. You can leave it like that or edit it. In this case, I'm going to write, our coffee shop is trying to decide on some new to-go packaging. We're looking for something fun and a little funky that stands out. Which of the following takeout containers do you like the best? So I'm going to input my two options. This is option 1 and this is option 2. One of the coolest things about Helpful.com is that, as you can see below, it says participants will be asked to write a comment on their choice. So besides that quantitative data that I'm going to get, I can also see the reason behind everyone's choice, and that is very valuable because it gives me some solid qualitative data as well. I can also input a multiple choice question. For example, let's say I would want to know, how often do you get takeout or food delivery? And this can be once a week, can be once a month. Let's add another option here. It can be once a year, or it can even be never. In any case, as I said before, since participants will be asked to write a comment on their choice, they can always choose other and write a comment on their answer. So right now what I can do is preview my survey just to make sure everything is looking okay. And I can proceed to select my audience. So I'm going to leave it at 25 participants. And if I desire, I can also select specific demographics. In this case, I'm going to leave it because any age or gender would be welcome for my survey. So I continue, and once I corroborate my demographics, the amount of participants, and the cost, with which, by the way, this is a lot cheaper than anything else out there that I have personally used, I can just confirm and launch. So now that my survey has successfully been launched, I can download it. I can also share it to other groups or communities. And all I have to do now is kick back, relax, and wait for those answers to start coming in. I can also go do something else in the meantime. This is really quick. It's only going to take a few minutes, but you will get a reminder email notifying you that your survey has been complete. So that allows you to handle any task in the meantime. We already have some participants who have answered. Our survey is 32% complete and only a couple of minutes have gone by. You can see those answers coming in real time. And we can be checking our responses as we go, or we can just sit back, do something else, and wait for it to be 100% complete. It's up to you. In a few minutes, our survey should be 100% complete. And we are done. I'll close this up, and now we can see at all of our results. Looks like 60% of participants voted for option number 1. And this has been truly really easy, really quick, and cheaper than any other option out in the market. So if you're looking for feedback, validation, or any type of user data, I really recommend go to helpful.com.